Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace key fob battery on Chrysler 300 guys from year 2008 to year 2012. If you have a Chrysler 300 guys and you have a key that looks like that, stay with us, we'll explain how to remove and replace the battery. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop guys, we make at least 200 videos. We take them completely apart. Why? Simply guys, because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, that's all we need in return. Quick detail guys, if you need to buy replacement battery for a really good price, check out the link in the description of the video below and we'll share that with you guys and you can see where you can get it from. So the car is outside, we couldn't even start it because it's super cold outside. The key is right here guys. We'll replace the battery so we can go ahead and start the car, unlock the car guys. So this is it guys, that's the key. Now what we need to do, pretty simple guys. Right here we need to, go ahead. Let me show you now quick, I'm trying to focus, maybe position the camera, perfect, like that. We need to slide that thing to the side so we can pull the mechanical key out. Slide it to the side and then pull the key out, you can see right there. Now what do we do here guys? Simply guys, right here, you have now, let me show you, one spot where you can apply, where you can put a little bit on this side now, and grab the two sides, separate it guys. Now the buttons with the circuit board will come out, and what do we need to do now? Let me show you now quick. We need to go ahead actually and install the buttons and the circuit board on this half of the key, just like that. Leave it there now. This is guys the key half that we need. That's where the battery is located as you can see. So what we need to do, we grab guys right here with the screwdriver on the back side, we pry it up. Now battery comes out, you can even see the battery number and it says plus side down. Now that metal plate you have to be extremely careful not to bend it, otherwise it's not going to work. Get the replacement battery guys, push it in like that in an angle and lock it. Perfect. Now what needs to be done after that? Align everything really good guys, really good. Start with inserting the metal thing, right there, perfect, and start guys pushing it until everything locks in place. Next, don't forget to push your key in. Just like that. And you can see guys, that's how we put together the key. Now if you guys need to see any specific videos on that vehicle, let us know, leave a comment in the description of the video below guys, and we're going to make notes and we'll try to make the videos in the future. Now this is the old battery, what we used was a screwdriver and the battery. We'll have the link for the battery in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.